Hello and welcome to the guided instructions for this month's craft, DIY Holiday Gift Tags. My name is Diane and I'm a library assistant with information services at the Belleville Public Library. And today I'm going to walk you through this craft. In your kit, you will find the instructions, the pre-cut tags that were made on the Cricut machine, and the print and cut stickers that were also created on the Cricut machine. The design was created on the software Canva, which you can find at canva.com. We then transfer the design over to the Cricut Design software, which you can find at cricut.com. The tags are cut with the Cricut machine using cardstock paper. The stickers are cut on the Cricut machine as well using the print then cut process. Sticker paper designed for the Cricut Maker was used to make these stickers. We put together this DIY Holiday Gift Tags kit so you can make your own personalized tags for the holiday season. Gather together some of your other craft supplies and ribbon, twine, or string and have fun with this, making your own personalized tags. If you want to learn more about creating a design and having it cut on the Cricut Maker, go to our website at bellevillelibrary.ca and look for the Cricut programs that we offer.